to all YouTube creators and channel viewers. I am Mary McKellar. Here is how you can get a free shout out for your channel on the next video. What you do is go to your main channel and click on Customize Channel. Then click on the Customize Settings, which is the top little gear. Next, go to Privacy and turn off the top setting, making your subscriptions visible. That way, when you subscribe to Riders for Christ, your subscription will show on our subscription list, and you will be displayed on future videos. Please, show some love for me, and subscribe today. It only takes a second. Plus, you will get noticed to all the world. And, please, ring the bell icon too. I will love you very much for doing so. It would mean the world to me. Truly, and deeply, thank you. Love, always, Mary.